All right, Cookie. You know you got a gift in the mail, right? I don't know if this is your first gift or what. Is this your first gift? We need scissors. Oh, no, we don't. Okay, Cookie. You got a gift in the mail from last week. Do you think it's for you, Newman? Oh, you guys like gifts. Hey, this is cookies. Can you imagine, Cookie? You got a beautiful gift. You're so excited. What is it? Well, we got to read the card first, everybody. This is Cookies, Newman. Hey, sending a hug and a prayer. Love to Cookie. Get well. Did you just throw a pellet at our heads? Get well. Love, Jensen, Punch, and Judy. Oh, isn't that nice? Here, put the card there. And you can chew on that while we get your doctor's. It looks like a doctor's kit. Like you need more doctor stuff. Let's go with it. Coco's so jealous. We've never gotten a doctor's kit. Look at Cookie, so into it. Wow, Cookie. What is this? Got scissors. We gotta see how you're doing, right? Oh, how is Cookie today? He seems really good. And then we gotta get tweezers, right? We'll poke his little toes. We gotta give him needles. Let's give Cookie needles. And then we gotta take his temperature up the butt. No? It's funny. That is a nice gift. Did you say thank you to Auntie Jensen? Wow, really nice gift, Cookie. You don't get gifts very often, do you? You're not like Mrs. Coco, who's jealous of your gift. I hope Coco got in there because she's got to steal the show. So cute. Okay.